Good day everyone, I am Joshua and this is my record demonstration for subject SAM 413 System Administration and Maintenance. In this video, I will explaining my application maintenance and monitoring report. And the application that I chose is Clash of Clans. The reason why I select Clash of Clans is because it is popular online multiplayer game that is used by millions of players worldwide, and it is a good example of an application that requires strong system maintenance, monitoring, and data management. For this report, I am assuming that I am the developer of the application. Overview. As a developer, Clash of Clans, my main goal is ma-maintain ang isang stable, secure, at enjoyable gaming platform para sa million of players sa buong mundo. Kailangan ng system na kaya mag-handle ng player data, village progress, at online battle in real time, habang sinisigurado na minimal lang ang lag at downtime. Importante ito dahil once na nagka-problema ang system, maraming players agad ang maapektuhan. Next advantages. Unahin po natin ang advantages. First, data security. Gumagamit ang Clash of Clans ng encryption at Supercell ID para maprotektahan ang player account at game process. Dahil dito, mas secure ang account at mas mababa ang risk ng hacking. Second is massive data handling. Dahil milyon ng players na gumagamit ng game ng cloud server at load balancing system para may stable pa rin kahit sabay-sabay naglalaro ang user. Third, system upgrade. May regular update ang Clash of Clans tulad ng new troops, defense, at events. Ginagawa ang updates paunti-unti or stage para maiwasan ang serve overload. Pero syempre, may disadvantage din. Disadvantage, sa data security, may chance na mawala ang account ng players kapag hindi properly secure ang Supercell ID at may phishing site na nangloko ng user. Sa massive data handling naman, during big event or updates, pwede magkaroon ng server overload or temporary disconnection. Malaki rin ang maintenance cost ng pag-handle ng global data. Sa system upgrade, minsan nagkakaroon ng bugs or kaya hindi compatible sa older device. Conclusion. In conclusion, ang Clash of Clans ay isa sa mga pinaka-stable at successful online games dahil sa maayos na system maintenance, data security, at regular updates. Kahit may challenges, naiwasan ng major problems dahil sa constant monitoring at mabilis na system recovery. Ipinapakita ng report na ito kung gaano kahalaga ang application maintenance and monitoring sa large-scale system. Maraming salamat po.